You're coming to TLC.
Alec and Hilaria Baldwin, along with their 7 kids, announcing their upcoming 2025 reality show just last month. But now it's a whole different reality for Alec, who arrived at court in Santa Fe today for jury selection in his involuntary manslaughter trial for the 2021 Rush shooting. And in yesterday's pretrial hearing, Alec already scored a huge victory.
I'm having real difficulty with the state's position that Mr. Baldwin did all these things wrong, resulting in the death of Helena Hutchins, because as a producer, he allowed this all to happen. So I'm denying evidence of his status as a producer.
Trial attorney Misty Marris, who does not represent Baldwin, breaks down why this is such a big win for Alec.
It was a long-time strategy of the prosecution to go after 2 different legal theories. One, Alec Baldwin as the actor, the person who was actually holding the gun. The second was Alec Baldwin as the producer, the boss on the set, responsible for any and all safety issues, including hiring an inexperienced armorer.
We want to interview you and him.
Eliminating the theory that he's responsible for the safety on the set as a producer is a huge win for the defense. This gives him more legal arguments to attack his role as an actor and the fact that actors do not have any responsibility for gun safety.
It's been 3 years since cinematographer Helena Hutchins was accidentally shot and killed when Baldwin's gun discharged while practicing a cross draw on the set of Rust. After lots of finger-pointing between Baldwin, the assistant director David Halls, and the armorer Hannah Gutierrez-Reed, Reed was convicted of involuntary manslaughter in April.
I'm sentencing you to 18 months of incarceration.
Tomorrow, Baldwin's trial begins, where prosecutors will argue Baldwin was negligent in his handling of the gun by pointing it at Helena. Marris believes Baldwin's defense team will counter that Gutierrez-Reed was responsible for safety.
It's inconceivable that a live bullet would make it onto the set, much less in that prop gun. So the defense is going to focus on that and say Alec Baldwin could not have possibly known there was a risk to human life. A huge issue in this case is that the gun was destroyed during FBI testing. The defense has argued they never had the opportunity to make a determination about whether or not it could have malfunctioned. Without it, it's impossible for prosecutors to prove that Alec Baldwin was negligent.
Well, I didn't pull the trigger.
So you never pulled the trigger?
No.
Prosecutors say they have an eyewitness who saw him actually pull the trigger. That is a witness we did not hear from at the Hannah Gutierrez-Reed trial. So that's going to be new information coming into the courtroom.
Of course, we're going to continue to follow the trial and keep you posted. But